You may have asked yourself why so many Portuguese restaurants serve rice and potatoes together. This happens because the specific types of rice and potatoes we eat here are extremely poisonous. And one of those types of food is the only antidote to the other. If you were to eat just rice or just the potatoes, don't ever do that, you would die a horrible death. The words demais and demasiado are not as dangerous, but also require some attention to understand when to use one or the other. Starting with demasiado, this one can be variable or invariable. When it is variable, when it changes according to the gender and number of the noun it quantifies, it comes before that noun and means too many. Há demasiados escorpiões nesta salada. There are too many scorpions in this salad. Há demasiada salada neste monte de escorpiões. There is too much salad in this pile of scorpions. When it never changes, it comes after the verb, meaning too much, or before an adjective, meaning too something. Esta união entre escorpiões e salada preocupa-me demasiado. This union of scorpions and salad worries me too much. Saladas demasiado radioativas são preocupantes. Salads that are too radioactive are worrisome. In this usage, demasiado can be replaced with demais. It works the same way and means the same thing when following a verb. Esta união entre escorpiões e salada preocupa-me demais. But it moves when used with an adjective, now coming after it. Saladas radioativas demais são preocupantes. Unlike demasiado, demais can't also quantify a noun. To achieve that, it has to be cut into two separate words. Demais. Demais and demais are pronounced the same and are frequently confused even by native speakers. To sum up the difference, demais, one word, quantifies verbs and adjectives. Demais, two words, quantifies nouns. Comi demais. I ate too much. Os pastéis de nata são bons demais. Pastéis de nata are too good. Comprei bolos demais. I bought too many cakes. If you want to keep your life simple, this is the moment in which you should stop watching the video. What comes after is not something that you will encounter frequently in Portuguese, and it's not something that you will need to communicate in Portuguese on a daily basis. You're still here. How brave, or how foolish, or both. Demais can also mean a couple of other things. These alternative uses aren't very common in colloquial Portuguese, but they are part of the language and it's fun to know them. Strange use of demais number 1. It can mean the remaining ones. Like this. Este ornitorrinco tem carta de condução. Os demais andam de autocarro. This platypus has a driver's license. The remaining ones take the bus. Strange use of demais number 2. It can also mean besides. Estou cansado de ver este vídeo. Demais, há vídeos de gatos para ver. I am tired of watching this video. Besides, there are cat videos to watch. Okay then, be like that. Meow.